Hi my friend, welcome back to our reading and spelling class with Miss Anita. I am so excited to have you here today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn that dropping the E rule before adding the vowel suffix. Now friend, if a word ends with letter E, let me give you an example. B, A, that's a long A, B, A, K, bake. Right? It ends in letter E. Before we add a vowel suffix, we have to drop the E and then add the suffix. But which one are vowel suffixes? Vowel suffixes are those ones that start with a vowel. Which one are they? We have ED to show the past tense, and then ing to show the present tense. Those are the vowel suffixes. Now, if I have the word bake, all right, and I want to write it in past tense, which is baked, am I going to add ed? No, this will make the spelling wrong. I have to drop the E and then just add the suffix ed. That's what we mean by dropping the E. You drop the E on the base word and then add the vowel suffix. How about if I want to write the word baking? Okay. What's the original word? The original word is bake. Okay. B, A, K, bake. I want to add the vowel suffix ing to show that the baking is happening now. Am I going to add ing? Okay, let's add it. Ing. Is that correct? Is that how we write the word baking? No. Drop the E and then add ing. What will our new word look like? It will look like this. Baking. B, A, K. Drop the E and add ing. How about baked? It will look like this. B, A, K. Drop the E and add ed. Okay, let's have a go with another word ending with letter E. The word is like. Okay, like. Let's sound it out. L, I, K. It ends with the E. The E makes this letter to say its name. What if I want to write liked? Should I add ed? Should I add ed? Yes. What should I do first? Drop the E and then add ed. We don't need double E. How will our new word look like? It will look like this. Like. We've just added ed. We dropped the original E and added the suffix ed to show the past tense of the word liked. How about the word love? Okay. L, R. Okay, this is a rule we learned in book 6. And then V. We know that words in English do not end with a V. They are always accompanied with the best friend letter E. Okay, I am loving these lessons. How am I going to write the word loving? Which suffix should I use? Which vowel suffix? ing. Okay, write for me the word loving. Add ing. Is that correct? No. Why? We have to drop the E and then add ing. What will our new word look like? The word loving. Let's go. L, A, V. Remember, we dropped the E and then we add ing. Do you get it? How about the word loved? Let's go. L, A, V. D. Loved. Which vowel suffix should I add? ed. Okay, Miss Anita, add ed. Is this a correct spelling? Why? We need to drop the E. And what will our new word look like? How should it be spelled? Okay. L, A, V. Then we drop the E and then add the suffix ed. Okay, So every time you're adding a vowel suffix ed or ing to a word ending in e, you have to drop that e and then add the suffix. Do not write both of them. No, that's a wrong spelling. You have to drop the e on the base word, then add your vowel suffix. I hope you get it. Should you have a quick reading? Okay. Bake, baked. No, let's read like this. Baked, baking, liked, loving, loved. What happened? We dropped the e and then added ed. We dropped the e and then added ing. We dropped the e and then added ed to make the word liked. We dropped the e, added the suffix ing, and then wrote the word loving. Great. It's your turn. I want you to have a reading practice here. Bake plus ing, baking. Use plus ing, using. Like that. Spend some time reading the information here. Have a read here and see how the words were written after dropping the e. After that, it's your turn to practice writing these words by dropping the e and add any of the vowel suffix. Oh, we have something key here that I had not explained. You are going to keep the e if you're adding a suffix that begins with a consonant. Okay, that is a vowel suffix. That is a vowel suffix. But you also have suffixes that begin with consonants, like suffix li. L is a consonant. All right. What if my word is live? Okay. And I want to add the suffix ly. Because L is a consonant, I am not going to drop the e. I am just going to add ly, and the word would be lively. Or if I want to write the word lovely, the word is love. Love. It ends in an e. But I want to add a consonant suffix, li. Do I need to drop the y? No. The e, sorry? No. Because ly is a consonant suffix. It begins with a consonant. So I'm just going to add ly to write the word lovely. Only drop the e if you're adding a vowel suffix. If it's a consonant, keep the e. Alright? Great. Okay. Have a go at your reading and spelling task. Once you are done, keep your book in a safe place because tomorrow we have another lesson.